sometimes when you especially download data from wherever, it doesn't quite come in the way that you expected. And here are a number of examples of that. We originally had what you see in column A here and column C and E and so forth. What we ended up doing is putting additional columns in there next to each of them. And we're going to put a formula in here that's going to basically take what you see here, convert it to the way that we want to have it seen, but it'll do it here. So we'll end up with the two of them, and we can fix that as well. But at this point, though, you didn't like the fact that this came in lowercase. You don't like the idea that this had a lot of extra space in there, where here the first letter of each name was not uppercase, and so on and so forth. So I want to just kind of take you through some of these tools. Now, if you have been watching Module 5 of Excel, we will have done the same thing there. So if this is, if you've already watched this in the other videos, then you don't need to bother watching it here. But you can watch it anyway just to get some review. Okay, so for this one, we're going to use a function called upper. And we're going to type in equal UP. You'll see upper pop up there. And what you do is you just do a double click, just like that. And then you reference what you want to make upper or make uppercase. So we reference that A2 there. So that's what we have for a formula so far. You enter that in. You take that, and then you can either drag it down like this, from the bottom right-hand corner, or while you're there, double-click it. Either one, you'll copy it down. Now, at that point, you don't really need this any longer. But if we get rid of this, this is dependent upon it by way of the formula, and you're going to get an error here. So what we have to do is extract out the formula and leave behind the value. Now we do that by just selecting it here, right-clicking it, hitting copy, and then right-clicking it again and hitting the 1, 2, 3, which is the values paste. We do that, it gets rid of the formula. See, now it looks like we just kind of just typed up there. By having done that, I can now go over here to column A, right-click that, hit delete, and it wipes that one out. Now for this next one, we need to get rid of the extra space. That's going to be using the trim function. So we do equal TR. You will see trim. We double click that, and we're going to tell it to trim the extra space out of this one here. Enter that in. Go back to that cell, bottom right hand corner, double click it. While it's still selected, right click it, hit copy, right click it, 1, 2, 3, wipes out the formula, and go back over here, right click it, delete it. All right. For Howard Snyder and the rest, equal PR, and there we have proper. We double click proper. Again, we click on to Howard in this case. We enter that in. There it's the way we want it. Go back to the bottom right hand corner, double click it, right click it, copy, right click, 1, 2, 3. That gets rid of the formula. We go to C, right click it, delete. Not bad. For this last one, what we do is we use the lower function. What we want to do here is we want to get all of this in lowercase. A lot of people prefer lowercase. So we go to here, we hit equal, LO, all right? There's lower, you double click it, click onto that, hit enter, bottom right hand corner, double click it, that copies it down, right click it, hit copy, right click it, 1, 2, 3. And then we can get rid of column D, right click it, and delete. There we go. And that's it for that one. So hopefully that can help you with some of your, I guess, your data disasters where you thought, oh my God, I gotta retype all this in. No, you got plenty of tools to make that happen. You'll see on the future videos here all kinds of neat tools that will just save you a ton of time. Thank you for watching.